Hello and welcome to my channel Tastefully Home Cooked. Today we are going to learn how to remove the garlic smell from our hands. So we have been cooking a delicious meal for our family or friends, and we have been chopping a lot of garlic. And that smell is going to linger in our hands for a long time. Sometimes it's very difficult to remove even with soap and water. I'm gonna give you 3 tricks to remove that garlic smell from your hands. Stay tuned. Trick number 1, rub your hands against some form of stainless steel while at the same time running some cold water over your hands. This time I'm using the sink because the sink in my kitchen is made of stainless steel. You can use a stainless steel pot or even you can use some spoon. And the stainless steel will neutralize the garlic odor from your hands. Tip number 2, grab a little bit of baking soda and put them on your wet fingers and then rub your fingers with baking soda for about 15 to 20 seconds. You might need to repeat this process a second time. Once you finish rubbing your fingers, then run some warm water over your hands to rinse it off, and that should help remove the garlic odor from your hands. Tip number 3, Dawn dishwasher liquid. Pour a little bit over your fingers and rub for about 15 to 20 seconds. Get it under your fingernails. Now rinse your hands really well with some warm water, and that should help remove the garlic smell out of your hands. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can learn more useful tips and traditional home style recipes. Have a fantastic and very blessed day.